Are you looking for an alternative to building your website on GoDaddy? Smart move, because GoDaddy is great at domains, not necessarily so great at websites, but they kind of lock people in to that website builder, which doesn't really give you a great professional representation of your small business online. So in this video, I'm going to break down some of the other popular small business website builders, and I'm going to talk about each one in terms of, hey, if you're coming from GoDaddy and the reasons you're unhappy with GoDaddy, here's some directions that you might want to go to pick the right platform for your business. Because, hey, your website is going to be the best tool for attracting more customers for your business. You want to be on the right platform that makes the most sense for you. We're going to break it down simple and easy in this quick video about the best website builders for small businesses as alternatives to GoDaddy. Okay, up first, we have Mighty Sites. So if you like the inexpensive nature of GoDaddy and you are looking for something simple and professional, but you don't want to go in these skyrocketing costs and you're dealing with how complicated and unprofessional the GoDaddy website can start to look after a while, you're going to want to try Mighty Sites. Mighty Sites starts at just $9 a month. It gives you a simple professional website. It's way easier to edit. It comes with tons of content built in for your type of business. So I'm going to put the link below for a free trial. And it's only $9 a month after that. If you like something informational and less expensive and easy to use, that's going to be Mighty Sites for you. All right, next up, we have Wix. So if you're really frustrated with how the GoDaddy sites looked and how difficult it can be, Wix is a very beginner-friendly, user-friendly, drag-and-drop interface. It also has some AI-powered features and a large library of high-quality templates, so you can probably get more closer to the professional look you're looking for there, but it is going to get more expensive, especially compared to Mighty Sites. Now, Wix can limit design flexibility compared to some other options, and their free plan is going to mean that you have to have the Wix logo on your website, so I don't know if you really want that. You're going to have to pay to remove it and gain additional features. The other one is Squarespace. So if you're looking to go from GoDaddy to something really beautiful, Squarespace is known for its beautiful modern templates. It's particularly well suited for a business that's super design focused, like a photographer or an artist. They offer powerful SEO tools and features too, if you want to use those to get found online. But here's the thing. Squarespace is going to have a bit of a steeper learning curve, especially than GoDaddy and Wix, and their pricing structure can get less flexible and more expensive depending on what you need. Then we've got Shopify. Shopify is the go-to option for businesses that plan to sell online. It offers robust e-commerce features, inventory management tools, secure payment processing. Shopify is not ideal for simple portfolio or brochure websites. That'd be more like a Mighty Sites. And the pricing can be higher than some website builders if you have a large store and you want advanced features. It's really great if you're going to be an e-commerce, sell online focused business. And then next, we have WordPress. WordPress is powerful and versatile. It's a good option if you're looking for, really customizable things, but you're going to have to work with a developer who's going to help you get all that done. Now, it is free for the software, but you do have to host it somewhere, and hosting can cost $50 to $100 a month. There are tons of plugins and themes available to customize your website, but again, there's a pretty steep learning curve, and you're probably going to need some ongoing technical support. Things break down, things need to be upgraded. It's something called open source software. So you're going to need help along the way managing all that. So those are some options for where you should look coming from GoDaddy. You're looking for an alternative. I hope that helps. And again, hit that like and subscribe so you find out all these tips about building websites and marketing your business. And don't leave yet, because we're going to talk about some great marketing tips to help your business thrive. Talk to you in the next video.